Today we're going to make cilantro-lime chicken soup. And the combination of the cilantro-lime in this chicken soup is just out of this world. So let's get started. I've got about 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil I'm heating up. Okay, so we have our couple tablespoons of olive oil hot in the pan. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of chopped onion. And I got 2 cloves of minced garlic. I can put them both in there. Stir that up. Get the onion tender. Now we'll go ahead and put in 1 tablespoon of chili powder. This will give it a little bit of a tasty. We'll add I got 2 cut up boneless chicken breasts. We'll do this for maybe 2 minutes. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through. When we get the soup in there, the soup will finish cooking it. Okay, so the chicken's been cooking about 3 minutes. Looks pretty good. It's well coated with the chili powder. Now we're going to add, I got about 1 fresh corn on the cob, cut off the cob, so it's not been cooked yet. I'm going to add that. 1 can of Rotel tomatoes and chilies. I'm using mild today. And 5 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. And then I've got about a 1/2 of a bunch of cilantro. I'm going to put it all in here. It would be best if you had a string or something to tie with. So we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes. And that should be about it. We'll put it in bowls. We'll put some toppings on it. Fresh lime juice on top is going to make it really stand out. A little dab of sour cream or yogurt on top as well. And maybe even a couple slices of avocado for presentation. So we'll come back in 10 minutes. So this has been simmering for about, yes, you can see we got a budget increase this week. While the soup was cooking, the mail came. So this has been cooking 10 to 15 minutes. I've pulled out the cilantro sprigs, so it's basically ready to go now. So to top this off, and actually I just thought of this as this was cooking, I'm going to put a little dollop of, I'm using yogurt. You can use sour cream. Sour cream would probably be better. Yogurt's a little less calories and fat. Well, the most important thing is lime juice, and that's what really brings out the flavor. And then I've got some chopped up cilantro also for garnish. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of slices of avocado on the side. And I thought, to make this truly Mexican, just some of your whatever salsa you have. So now you got the Mexican flag, red, white, and green. And there you have it.
You want these?
I will try. Very good. Again, I didn't put any salt in this. You may want to salt and pepper to taste. But there you have it. It's pretty quick and easy and just delicious with the chili, the lime, and the cilantro all blended into that chicken soup. A little bit spicy, not too bad. We used mild Rotel. But there you have the cilantro lime chicken soup. If you want to see this, more recipes and restaurant reviews, come to my YouTube page, Ed Foodie, Fun with Food. Thank you.